Hey, biker in a hat here. You know, the Poconos drew people here originally because of its surrounding nature. Today, people go through the water gap on Interstate 80, white-knuckled, just to get to the resorts and the casinos. But hidden around are many waterfalls and beautiful views from mountains. Today, we're going to take a ride to a lesser-known falls called Resica Falls. Resica Falls is on a Boy Scout reservation that was established in 1955. And even though it's private property, they allow public access to the falls. There's a small parking lot right off the main road. The falls are actually the first attraction of the reservation. The Royal Star Venture is ready outside for the ride, and we're going to film the falls with this, the little Tello Drone, primarily designed for indoor use, but it does a good job outdoors on days when there's not too much wind. This will enable me to get into areas where I can't with a handheld camera. I hope you enjoy it.